Oh, per day or just for the whole booking?
per day.
Oh, okay. That sounds like a winner, man. Please.
Oh yeah, yeah. So you really can kill it if you leverage the air mattress idea, moreover trying to create a different space. Now, if you got an extra, space in the attic that is easily convertible, um, I'm not saying don't address that, but I'm saying like OC knows he's been to a couple of places that we just converted into a bedroom, and it was a lot. And here's the other part, and again, this is the truth. Once we turned the place back over, even though we created equity for the landlord because uh that was work that he didn't have to do, he gave me a hard time about the security deposit because I didn't return the property in the same condition I received it. And it was beautiful, the work that was done,